Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today let's learn how to create the wrapper components in a React. So, what are wrapper components, guys? So let's see. Before going into the coding part, let's see what are wrapper components. Wrapper component is a component that renders another component. It's like a function that calls itself the same way. The wrapper component is a component which render another component inside of it, which can be used for encapsulating or reusing the logic, styling, or behavior. It mainly used for code reusability, composition, abstraction, styling of the UI interface what you have create. Uh, but the main use is the reusability of the code. That is the main use of these creating wrapper components. So let's start understanding what are wrapper components and how to create them. So let's start by creating again the new project. You can see my video which I have created on creating a new project. You can see that video and create a new project for it. And I have created a new project, and then okay, modify the app.js file. Uh, Clear all the tags which are inside the app.js and give an empty tag in the return function, so that we can start coding from the scratch itself. Okay, that's it, guys. Then next, let's start by creating a folder called components inside the stores. Components. uh, it's important to create folders like this so that your project or whatever you are working will be in a good structured way. That will help you finding them, and that will help you debugging every time you seek the project in future. So move this app.js and app.css app itself. We don't need really app.css file, so it's okay if you don't do it also. So go inside app.js, and okay, I have already been imported, so nothing is there to import. You can import this app once again if you change the path and import it once again, so that it will not an error. So let's dive into the wrapper components. So collecting unused props with props. What is this really means is, this is the way of creating the wrapper components. One of the way of creating the wrapper components use is through props, using props, which we will pass into the components, which will bring some properties into it. That's what we mean by collecting unused props with props. This is the keyword that we use for passing the props into components, so that the code can be reused. So let's start by creating a component called animal card. Okay, let's create inside app folder. Let's create one file called data.js. It's a JavaScript file. Okay, and then copy paste this code. You can see here how the code is. It's just a data containing the animal cards, like for animals, their scientific name, size, some of the properties of the animals, right? So this just containing the data of some animals. So let's create another folder inside the components named animal card, and inside the animal card you create a new file, animal card.js. It really helps in structuring the project. It's really need to be done, and do it, and copy this code and paste it here. This is basic code for just creating the card, like uh, like just a box inside your web page, so that it look like a card showing the animal details over there. This is what. Okay, then go to app.js. You need to import those files right inside the app.js. Okay, copy paste this code now, save it. Okay, there is an error, app.css. Okay, we don't have app.css. Okay, the app.css got I think deleted, sorry. Okay, I don't have app.css file here. Okay, I need to bring that app.js file. Get me a minute, guys. Okay, if you created a new project, then there will be definitely a app.js file inside. So change that code to this code. Just a wrapper css will be there. Change that code to this one. I didn't have app.css as it got deleted, I think. So I created a new app.css file itself and copy paste this code. Just make changes over there. So let's see how the output look like. Okay, it has created. See, the data has been displayed here, right? Yeah. Now creating a details component. Okay, let's have some animal details over here. In the components, create a folder, animal details. Inside it, create a new file, animal details .js. You can see here the details. Some of the details of those animals are given in this file, right? Okay, this file containing some details of the animals that are being written in data file. Yeah, let's see what next is, and create one more file that is inside animal details, new file called animal details itself. But this is a css file .css, and just this two line, a small css functional file, and save this. Don't forget to save any of the file, because it will pose a errors in compiling. So go to animal code.js, open animal code.js and import these animal details from animal details. Okay, import and add as a component. You can see replace the diet.join statement with new animal card details component and pass diet as a props by adding the highlighted lines. So here what the changes they are making is from the files of animal details, they are bringing the the diet information. The diet property has a prop here, you can see. But in the last code, the diet has been a function. Diet.join was as a statement, it was there, but now they are bringing the properties of diet inside the code as a props. That's what this code is significant of. So copy paste this code now. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, you can see that diet properties has been displayed details in the details file. The diet has been imported from animal details. It is not there in the animal card, right? The animal card file doesn't contain any of the code for dieting, but the animal details contains these, and that are being imported into the main code by props method, right? That was about the code. Okay, now passing the details through a component with props. Let's see how they are passing with props. Now using that keyword, how can we import that details. Okay, just a minor change inside the animal details. Instead of diet equal to diet, we with the keyword props, we can import them. Just copy this code and paste it over. Okay, see, the same, the web page looks same because the properties the same properties are being imported, but using this keyword or the tag, what we say, using this props, we are importing the properties from the animal details to the animal card, right? That's it. Then pass the scientific name as a prop here. Yeah, and one more what we can say, one more property, scientific name has been imported here to the app.js. Okay, let's go to app.js and change something like this. Add this scientific name also. Copy and paste. Okay, in the animal called animal details. Okay, in the animal details, there is no property called scientific name, right? So let's add that scientific name as a property. Diet, comma, scientific name. Okay, this is scientific name, right? Yeah, scientific name. Inside this division tag, copy paste it. I will copy paste it. I don't time constant, due to time constant, I will copy paste the code. You can write, or you can copy paste this. Copy paste it. Yeah, now the scientific details have been added onto the web page. Let's see, it's been displayed or not. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, let me make it large. Scientific name has been displayed. Okay, we have added the scientific name into animal details, and we have imported into app.js as our props. So now it's being displayed, right? That's how we are importing with the props. So let's create another way of creating wrapper components with the children. React gives you built-in prop called children. Okay, this is also a prop, but it's a built-in prop, what we call it as children, that collects any children components. That means it has another component, a small component. Children contains some small component which can be received into large components. That's what we mean by creating wrapper components by children. So let's create a file called card. New folder, card. Okay, this is card, and inside card, let's create new file. It's card.js, right? Yeah, card.js, and you copy paste this card.js to this. Yeah. Okay, this is being displayed as children. This is children, right? We have created a children component now. Okay, create one more file of CSS. Let's use some CSS onto it. Add some styling for your page. Yeah, this is called CSS. Copy this and paste it over here. It's for making those details into a card. It makes them into a card, right? Okay, go to animal card. Where is that animal card? Yeah, go to animal card and modify the code. Yeah, now the code is being modified. So what we have done here, let's see the output. Yeah, you can see here the details are being added up onto card. It came into a card like structure, right? So we have created the card child. Yeah, you can see here the card children has been created, and that card children has been imported, created a wrapper component with in the animal card, so that that properties what we have defined inside the card.js has been imported to animal card, so that those details has been displayed in a card format. That's what we have meant by creating wrapper components with the children, right? Yeah, that's all, guys. That's the methods for creating the wrapper components. There is some more passing components has props. You can see it. Same passing components has props means what we have explained in the second one. It's the same with the using the props. They are sharing those details of cards into the animal cards. That's it, guys. You can try it. That's all. That's all. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. This is about the wrapper components, creating wrapper components with the React. Thank you.